Hi kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn alphabets and we are going to write small alphabets A to N, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay, let's learn some colors. These are all our color pencils. Let's learn the names. Green color, blue color, orange color, yellow color, pink color, green color, light pink color, red color, and sky blue color. Let's draw alphabets. Red color A. A for apple. Small a. A for ant. Pink color B. B for ball. Small b. B for bat. Green color C. C for cat. Small c. C for cap. Light pink color D. D for dog. Small d. D for dog. Yellow color E for egg. Small e. E for elephant. Orange color F. F for fish. Small f. F for flag. Blue color G. G for goat. Small g. G for goat. Red color H. H for hat. Small h. H for horse. Pink color I. I for ink. Small I. I for insert. Green color J. J for jar. Small j. J for jar. Pink color K. K for kite. Small k. K for king. Yellow color L. L for llama. Small l. L for lamp. Orange color M. M for mango. Small m. M for mango. Blue color N. N for nest. Small n. N for nest. Once again learning alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay. Bye kids.